I woke up before my alarm not because I was rested, but because I already knew what the day would look like. On the subway, surrounded by strangers, I stood quietly, holding my breath. Music played in my ears, but my mind was still full of noise. At work, emails and meetings consumed every moment. Living in response to others, I suddenly wondered, whose life am I living? That evening, in a small park, the wind brushed my face. And something long forgotten returned. The feeling of simply being alive. That was the moment I decided, I need to stop. Weeks later, I left the city. I turned off notifications, paused conversations, and rented a small house in the countryside. At first, everything felt uncomfortable. The silence was too loud, the nights too long. Without the city's noise, I faced myself, and that was unfamiliar. But slowly, things changed. I woke up to birds, not alarms. I touched the soil, watered plants, and felt time slow down. In the mirror, I looked simpler but somehow more real. One rainy day, I stepped outside without an umbrella. Rain fell over me, soft and steady. Mud pressed under my feet. And suddenly, I laughed. I remembered being a child playing in the rain without purpose, without fear. Standing there, eyes closed, I realized, I wasn't meant to chase more. I was meant to feel what I already had. I am still the same person but living a different life. I have less, but I feel more. I move slower, but I live deeper. Sometimes I think about my past self, running endlessly. And I whisper, you were already enough. Returning to the essence isn't about losing things. It's about finally living fully, quietly, and truly. Thank you for watching this video. Please press the subscribe and like buttons.